Here it is, the digital future of the construction industry. Admittedly, it isn't running quite as smoothly as it could. Of course, there are software solutions for telematics, the deployment and management of resources and maintenance. But do people actually want to work with numerous different systems? No, not really. It's difficult to maintain an overview when there are so many different standalone solutions to deal with. Things can soon descend into chaos. There's a simple solution to this. We've bundled all these functions into our multiple award-winning software solution for the construction industry. OneStop Pro. OneStop Pro offers all the important functions in a single application. Management of machines, tools, bulk items, and personnel. Telematics, live information. Digital scheduling and deployment. And maintenance and inspection management. Let's take a closer look at this construction software. Manage your machines and tools in OneStop Pro and never lose track of what's going on. All the important information is constantly at your fingertips. And OneStop Pro is a vendor-neutral software package, so there is now no reason why you can't manage all your machines and tools using a single solution. OneStop Pro gives you a comprehensive picture of locations, movements, and all the other important information you need, allowing you to make efficient use of telematics and live information. Oh yes, and for all those who want to spare their nerves and save time in the future, hours of operation are recorded automatically, which means laborious manual steps are now a thing of the past. Scheduling and deployment are digitalized as well. You get a clearer picture of where your resources are deployed and can plan more easily. You can display all your projects in a clear list or map format at the touch of a button. If you use OneStop Pro for maintenance and inspection management, you can see all upcoming and past maintenance appointments and inspections at a glance. You'll never miss another appointment. And that will improve the availability of your machines and tools on your building sites. No one can say for sure what the future of the construction industry will bring, but with the right software solution, anything is possible. Equip yourself now for the digital future. OneStop Pro. Simplify your business.